Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix the error where OBS files are being used by other applications in Windows. This is a common issue that pops up during installation or updates, but fortunately it's easy to resolve. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, you'll need to open Task Manager to see which applications are currently using the OBS files. To do this, click on the Start button in the bottom left corner of your screen, or simply click the Windows icon. Once the search bar appears, type Task Manager, and you'll see Task Manager appear in the search results. Go ahead and click on it to open the application. Now, once Task Manager opens, you'll be able to see all the processes and applications currently running on your computer. In the installation error message, you should see text that mentions which specific application is using the OBS files. For example, it might say something like, "Files are being used by Microsoft Edge," or it could be any other application depending on your situation. This is just an example, but the important thing is to identify which application is listed in your particular error message. Next, you'll need to locate that application in Task Manager. Look through the list of processes under the Processes tab until you find the application mentioned in the error. In this example, we're looking for Microsoft Edge. Once you've found it, right-click on the application name. A context menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select End Task. This will immediately close the application and free up the OBS files it was using. Here's an important step that many people miss. You need to make sure you end the task for all instances of the application that's interfering with OBS. Sometimes an application might be running multiple processes in the background, so take a moment to scroll through Task Manager and check if there are any additional instances of the same application. If you find more, simply repeat the process by right-clicking on each one and selecting End Task. This ensures that all related processes are completely terminated and no longer holding on to the OBS files. After you've ended all the tasks for the interfering application, you can go back to your OBS installation window. You should see a retry button or a similar option. Click on Retry and the installation should now proceed without any issues, since the files are no longer in use by other applications. And that's it. You've successfully fixed the OBS files being used error and can now continue with your installation. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.